2018 has been an awesome year for smartphones, but is it the best time for clamshell phones to make a comeback? This is the Hunky Tourist, and join me as we take a review of CLOUDFONE Lite Senior. The CLOUDFONE Lite Senior is a classic and stylish device with basic phone functionalities. There's no point comparing it to a smartphone since its functions mainly focuses on calls and text messaging. This phone also features an SOS button for emergency purposes. So let's start with the physical features of this phone. At the bottom, you will find a port for the charging dock. The volume rockers at the left, 3.5 audio jack port, micro USB port, and the flashlight button at the right. You will find a VGA camera as well as the flash at the front. And at the back, the SOS button and the speakers as well as the CLOUDFONE logo. It has 2.4-inch screen with soft keypads that are pleasurable for typing. It also comes with a desktop charger in the package, so you could plug it in like this or use a micro USB cable for charging. You could also charge it while it's open so you could see the activity of your phone or see the battery percentage while it's charging. The 600 mAh of battery could give you a couple of hours of talk time or a full day of text messaging before needing to charge. Thanks to the soft keypads, typing and switching between applications and settings on this phone is a pleasurable task to do. This tiny device also have an FM radio, but unlike any other phone, it doesn't need the headset to be plugged in it before it launched the radio.
Matthew. Present!
Some basic tools are also available at this phone, like the calendar, the calculator, and alarms. The most important function of this phone is the SOS button. You can input your information as well as the customizable message and the numbers you can call in case of an emergency, but I'm hoping you wouldn't be able to use this function. But it also feels good to be ready. Overall, using the CLOUDFONE Lite Senior gives me nostalgia, as it brings back the good memories of my childhood. This device is perfect as a backup phone, especially if you're still into calls and text messaging. In the Philippines, it is retailed at 1,299 pesos, but at some stores, if you get lucky, you can buy it for only 999 pesos, like I did. Let me know of your thoughts about this phone. Thanks for watching. This is the Hunky Tourist. See you again next time.